Hey everyone, this is Sanjay from Tinku Foodies, and today we are going to make one of our favorite breakfast recipes, overnight oats. There are tons of reasons for it to be a number one. It doesn't require any cooking, it's very easy to make, and it can be made high protein by adding some protein powder to it. It's healthy, wholesome, and of course, super delicious. It's a very flexible recipe. You can add any fruits of your choice. My favorite is mango, any nut butter, seeds, dried fruits, and modify it according to your needs and taste. So if you're new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and I'll hand it over to Divya too. Let's get started.
So first we'll take around half cup of blueberries and using a fork we'll crush them lightly. We'll keep this aside, and now we'll take around 6 to 8 strawberries and using a fork we'll crush them as well. Keep this aside and let's add the crushed blueberries in a jar. Now we'll add 1/3 cup oats, 1/3 cup yogurt. I am adding skyr, which is an Icelandic yogurt. It's high in protein and low in fat. You can also use Greek yogurt or any other yogurt of your choice. Now we'll add some milk. And give it a quick mix. If you want this breakfast to be high in protein, you can add a scoop of protein powder along with milk. Now for the sweetness, I am adding 2 teaspoons maple syrup. Feel free to add any sweetener of your choice. Give it a mix. I also like to add some mixed toasted nuts. If you like, you can replace them with any nut butter of your choice. And now we'll add my favorite mango. I think it definitely is my favorite fruit to add in overnight oats. It adds a really nice tanginess to this recipe. And it's time to add the crushed strawberries. Feel free to replace these fruits with your choice of fruits. Like you can add pear, apple, kiwi, pineapple, pomegranate, anything you like. We'll also add some mixed seeds. And now all we need to do is keep it in the fridge to soak for at least 3 to 4 hours or overnight. And the overnight oats are ready to enjoy. You can have it as is or add more fruits of your choice. I am adding some bananas, some blueberries, and some more seeds. This overnight oat is a great breakfast, especially for those busy mornings. It's wholesome, delicious, and easy to put together. And the best thing is, you can store it in the fridge for 4 to 5 days.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. So this is one of the way we like to make our overnight oats. Do try out the recipe and let us know in the comment section what's your take on it. What would you change? How would you make it? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating, and we'll see you next time.